Well, hey y'all, welcome to Throttle Power. In this video, we're going to check out the Revell 30 Ford, see what's in it, why you should get it. I've been waiting for this kit for years. Let's check it out. Oh my, I've been waiting on this thing for a long time. It was out years ago. The mold got broke. They started selling for 50, 100 bucks, 200 bucks. Oh, not in my budget, boys. I knew it was coming back out, did a video on it a few months ago, and here it is. Here it is. Let's see what's all in here, and then we will unbox, bag everything, and go through it. Oh, this thing's loaded. Loaded. Decals. You know you're going to get two of these. Two of them skulls are going to be really cool. I like the decals. Let's check out the instructions. Typical Revell instructions. Starts off with the engine. Looking good. Pretty easy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, of course, two options to build, several options with or without a roof. So many options in this kit. So many options. And some painting instructions. But we know you're going to paint it the way you want it. Okay, just like the old kit, you've got a couple ways to build this. A high boy or a low boy. You get to choose your interior panels. Here's what I like. These bomber seats. Love these bomber seats. Oh, those are nice. After you choose your style of building, of course you can choose your style of body. You don't have to put the roof on, or you can. How cool is that? Beautiful tires. Got some nice Buick brake drums. You spend 10 bucks just for those Buick brake drums in aftermarket resin. Nice wheels. The engine. Cool. Very cool. Glass we're just going to leave inside for right now. Let's start checking out all these chrome sprues. Got all kinds of chrome sprues here. Beautiful. Two grills to choose from. How nice is that? Very cool. Love that. The detail is just amazing on this engine. Love these headers. Couple steering wheels. You basically get almost two cars in this kit. This is why this kit is so worth buying. Definitely get this kit, guys. And there you go. That's the Revell 30 Ford. Definitely worth getting. We'll see you on the next episode on Throttle Power.